Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to download and install the ADX application. If you're not familiar with that, it's the Accudemia data exchange, and with that tool we are able to upload our students, tutors, instructors, the subject areas, pretty much most of the items in the system we can upload. But to get started, first you're going to log into your account. Just go to your mycollege.academia.net login. Once you log in with your ID and password, you're going to go to Administration, Advanced, Import. From there, you're going to have three different options here. First thing we're going to need to do, though, is go ahead and download the ADX. Now, this works on any Windows-based computer, 32 or 64-bit. So we're going to go ahead and click that to download it and save the file. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and run it. If you do get this warning, just go ahead and run. It's just trying to protect you in case it was a virus or anything like that. Okay, so this is a typical first message that you'll get. Just say install. It's going to take a minute to download any of the latest enhancements to that software. Once again, we have this security warning. Go ahead and just say run. Alright, and when it first opens, it will ask you to log in using your ID, password, and the domain. So, for instance, typically the domain is the very first part where you log in. So in this case, in this example here, I would use the 7 because that's the first part of my domain. In here, we'll go ahead and do that. If you don't remember your domain, this is something that you might get. If you do get that, call support. We can help find your domain. It should open up here in the background. You'll also notice there's a shortcut that's been put on your desktop. Might take a second the first time it opens. Okay, and now that we have it installed, we got to this screen. We're going to have some other webinars on how you create the different import jobs, but pretty much that's all we did for now. Thank you.